Welcome to JH. Today, I will show you how to permanently configure your item location on eBay. Whether you are starting a new listing or refreshing your current inventory, setting the right location is a vital part of running your eBay business. We will go through the entire process together so that by the end, you can customize these settings with total confidence. When creating new listings, you must handle the location details during the setup phase. Once you are on the listing creation screen, scroll down to find the Preferences section. Look for a small pencil icon located right next to your settings. Clicking this icon allows you to modify the fields. Enter the specific city, state, and zip code for the product you are selling. After inputting these details, the location is saved to the listing, providing buyers with the correct shipping origin. If you want to change your default location for all future listings, start by logging into your eBay account. Navigate to the top left corner and hover over your name to open the drop-down menu. Then select Account Settings. This dashboard manages your profile preferences, including your addresses. Click on the Addresses link to see your saved information. Locate the specific address you wish to update and click the Edit option next to it. Now, simply update the city, state, or zip code to ensure everything is current. Save the changes to set this as your new default for all upcoming listings. Keeping this information accurate builds buyer trust and transparency. I hope this guide helps you manage your store more effectively. Thanks for watching and happy selling.